Hey there, in this video, we'll be discussing how to use search filters in WhatsApp web on your PC with the new update. So, let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you've logged into your WhatsApp account on your web browser. Next, take a look under the search bar where you'll see three options: All, Unread, and Groups. Depending on what you're looking for, select the appropriate filter. If you want to see all of your chats, regardless of whether they've been read or not, choose the All filter. If you're looking specifically for unread messages, go ahead and select the Unread option. And if you're searching for a specific group chat, click on the Groups filter. Once you've selected the desired filter, simply type in the name of the chat or group you're looking for in the search bar. WhatsApp Web will automatically filter out the results based on your search criteria. Scroll through the search results to find the chat or group you're looking for and click on it to open the conversation. And there you have it. By using search filters in WhatsApp Web on your PC, you can easily find the messages and conversations you're looking for in a quick and efficient manner. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips. See you next time.